Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
Oh wait, it's martinis.
Yeah, girl, wrong genre.
Getting lost in the rain.
Anyways, we are doing the English Rose Martini.
Hello, chop. Is it originated from them?
I don't even know.
Chip, chitty. All right.
I'm not gonna claim this is like actually English. It's just literally called the English Rose. I think it has to do with the color of the final product, and that's why they said that.
That's proper.
Yeah. So anywho, we gonna do this thing. Let's go ahead and run through the ingredients, then we can get started. Why do you have ice in your martini glass?
Because I was trying to chill it. But we forgot the grenadine.
Oh, okay, so 1 second. Because this one, I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna taste. I've never even heard of it, but that's the point. When we were doing the martini series, I did wanna make sure that we captured a couple recipes that we have never heard before, that have the potential to be good or bad, we don't know, but nonetheless, at least sounded appealing based off of the recipe.
We're trying to give y'all something new. Possibly. Y'all could have had it already, but
it's new to us, so put it that way. Okay, so we're gonna run through the ingredients and then we will get started. So it involves dry vermouth, a gin of your choice, lemon juice, apricot, brandy, and grenadine. Now, as I understand, we have not had this apricot brandy. I have never had apricot brandy. I just want to be real with you.
I like apricot.
And I like brandy.
But together,
we don't know. What, girl, where you find this jug of apricot brandy from?
Total Wine Girl.
Okay, because the first thing that I said when she pulled up with this big ass container of apricot brandy was, bitch, who is selling this like this? And Total Wine is probably the answer.
I mean, it was only about like a good $10, so cost effective.
Okay, and I do believe your mother will be the inheritor of this.
Natasha will create a new drink.
She's gonna. Do I gotta try it? Like, cause I feel like your mom be having like little concoctions.
You gotta be careful though. She drinks Bone Crushers.
Oh Jesus. Yeah. Okay. All right. Here we go.
Oh.
Goddamn. Okay.
Robitussin? No?
Initially it's like meek, but then it's like, oh, because I caught the apricot.
It settles down.
But you did say it was $10, right?
Yeah. Is this more considered a liqueur brandy-ish flavored brandy?
I think it's just flavored brandy. Just flavored brandy.
All right.
Okay,
From
we're gonna
Pennsylvania.
Oh, well,
those are hard times up there.
Woo. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and get started with this then. I guess we'll start probably with the grenadine, huh? Okay. A splash.
Splish splash.
So you didn't even try to open this before, so you're gonna have me struggle on camera. Jesus, try to open it.
My bad.
Cameraman, help.
I got it.
You got it. Oh, good job. She put her
It took me
script
off
together.
camera, on camera to do it. But I did the best that I can do.
Boop. Oh, that was more than a splash gag. That was way more drop. Okay.
Interesting.
They said a splash of lemon juice.
Oh, so there was no really actual measure.
They literally called it a splash. That's what they gave us. Ooh. 0.75 or 3/4 ounce of, oh God, I poured more than that. Okay.
Was it?
3/4 ounce of the dry vermouth. You can start with the apricot brandy. So for that, we need also 3/4 ounce.
Interesting. This is about to be sweet.
I think so. So I do wonder how this is gonna be. But
curious.
you know, we'll see. And then I need to do 1.5 ounces of the gin.
Ooh. Ew, ew.
God.
Ah! 3/4?
No, 1.5. We gonna go ahead and shake this up.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Uh-oh.
What is Andre 3000 doing these days? Is he playing like the cello or something?
No. He hit that flute, okay? He did get Grammy nominated. But he did say after Kendrick's performance, he felt inspired to get back in the studio and possibly rap.
About
So,
what though? Like battles
don't-
of the instruments? Like what? What is he?
We don't know, but he said he was inspired. So Andre 3000 may be coming out with some sort of rap album.
Well,
in the
Andre, please
future.
come out with Big Boy too, okay?
I think he's just gonna do him. I don't know if it's gonna be an Outkast special. I do love
The audience will
Outkast.
love the Outkast special.
I would personally enjoy that, but I also like Andre himself, so we'll just see. I didn't listen to the Flute album. I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
I haven't listened to the Flute album either.
But it's the fact that he tried something out the blue and got nominated.
I
It
will
was
say the
well-received.
man has fingers. But you know, I don't.
Didn't Erykah Badu smash him too?
Bet
They
you
got a
can't
kid
put your
together.
phone down. I don't know, but isn't she the same person that like sold her juice?
She did, and I believe in the form of a candle.
Well, you know,
Okay, well let's just go ahead and try this.
this doesn't look any better. Juice.
It
All right.
looks, I wasn't gonna say it, but now that you have.
pick
All
the
right. Yeah. By the way, if yours looks like this, go to the doctor.
Well, not necessarily. You don't want it to be black.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I bet you can't put your phone down.
Okay. Recovery.
Sorry,
Oh.
Erica. I still love you though, but
Oh God.
you did the damn thing in that one video when you got naked out in public. Women are powering.
Why? Oh God. Okay. All right. I think it's your turn to start.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna let you start.
I don't even know where to start.
Well.
It's not bad, but it's not good. I'm indifferent about this. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen.
I had a feeling about this one, you know.
It's very interesting. So for this, currently my rating will be, visually it's cute. It's cute. I'm gonna give this a 5. I'm indifferent. Like I will drink it if somebody gave it to me. But at the same token, like I will not order this on my willingness if I saw this on the menu. But yeah, it's a 5. I'm indifferent. Maybe catch me on another day. I may say a little bit higher, maybe a little bit lower. But for right now, it's not bad. Like it has a nice, decent taste where I can get by with it. But it also is like, it needs something that I can't pinpoint. I think it's the dry vermouth. If I put a sweet vermouth in it, I might be a little okay with it. No?
No, it's
All
not.
right.
It's not the vermouth.
Well, it's a 5 for me, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not gonna be much higher for me. It's probably a 6, at best. It's too sweet. It's too
sweet?
It's too sweet. The apricot brandy, I think, which was trying to counteract the lemon juice, but which really didn't need to because you have the grenadine.
Is the grenadine usually sour?
No, the grenadine's sweet, so that's my point. I think it's too much sweetness. It's giving me adult fruit punch.
So do you think that the dry vermouth and the gin is kind of supposed to tone it down a little bit, but it could have been worse? Is that what you're trying to say?
I think that the gin and the dry vermouth probably was trying to do that, but because you have
Try to balance it.
pretty overpowering sweet ingredients already, I think it's kind of like it's not enough of a balance. It's okay. It's just okay. I get why it's called an English rose, right? Because it's trying to play off of the color of a rose. I get that. But it's kind of boring too, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it just kind of gives me a wannabe adult fruit punch, which is not really martini-ish.
Or an elevated Cosmo.
Yeah. Oh God.
Like the Cosmo is tart, but it's a little sweeter. I don't know, but for me, I'm indifferent about it. I can't pinpoint it.
So, and here's the gag. So I forgot this because sometimes you forget notes.
Right.
We were supposed to originally rim this with sugar, so that would have been even more sweet.
Sweet.
So when we post this recipe, we will post it as the recipe is posted, which is with the sugar rim. But I personally would advise you against this unless you just love sweet drinks. If you're into sweet drinks, go for the sugar rim. If you're not, this alone is probably all the sugar you're gonna need. It's a lot. It's just
rim half of the cup. Just
or something. I don't know. It's just it's too sweet. It's just too sweet for my liking. It's okay. For new things, we tried something new.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I do think you have to be a little bit aware of the fact that you're mixing gin with brandy and dry vermouth. So please note that when you're thinking about the recipe.
Probably a one and done if you're out and out.
To be fair, just because something is sweet does not mean that it is not dangerous, drink-wise.
And especially if it's cheaper ingredient.
Yes, so please note that. That being said, if that is something that you're into, you may actually like this a lot better than we do. We're not into super, super, super sweet drinks. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that.
I feel you. So what was your rating again? It was
a 6.
Yeah, and I have a 5. I mean, it's not, like I said.
So it's middle of the board. We're just kind of like not impressed, but it's not bad. Again, we've tried some truly horrendous drinks before. This is not horrendous. It's just not that great, is what I would say. Like, the quality is kind of basic. It's just okay. So anywho, let us know what you think. Would you try this out? Again, we are on an exploration of martinis. So what are some of your favorite martini recipes that we have not listed? Don't forget to ring that bell. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. And I don't think I'm gonna save this, but that's me.
I'll save it, but I'll give it to Natasha.
Her mama
Which
gonna
is
get
my
it.
mom, but
Mama gonna get it.
if not, worst case scenario, she'll doctor it up if she don't like it the way it is. But nonetheless, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what y'all think. And if y'all found that you did something a little different, put it in the comment section below.
Please do.
Yep, and we'll see you for the final countdown.
Ba-da-ba-da.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. In the meantime, we'll see you next episode. Bye.